So today I try to get some volume into my hair. This is the new device I got, Voloom. And this is how my hair looks, pretty limp and lifeless after I washed it, and I blow dried it and used a little brush to straighten it because it's very frizzy and coarse, and usually I have waves naturally, but today I want to get some volume into my hair and check out this device. Okay, the display shows you the temperature of the device, and if you have fine and thin hair, you start with 320. If your hair is really can take a lot and is healthy and very thick, you can go up to 395. I'm just gonna start now with 320 to see what happens. You have to clip away your hair. This is not a straightening iron or anything like that. So what you do is you part your hair like you would normally, take the top layer away, and it comes with these clippies, and just clip your hair away, and then you take a layer below that hair. I'm gonna go now for this, and then you take the device and press it only for 1 second, no longer than a second. Press it. 1. And then you can do that a little bit downwards another time and another time, depending on, you know, how much hair you have, how long it is. And you see it creates like a very frizzy hair there, but now if I would lay this on top, it should create volume. And you can see already it's here much more fluffy than it's already a lot actually than on my not treated area. And you can go ahead and clip away again that top layer, take away the hair we treated already as well, and let's put 1 layer untreated away. And now this area right here I'm gonna use, and just hold it in. Never pull it down, it's not a straightening iron. Oh yeah, there you can see it really good. One more time. One more time. Like I treat a little bit a different area, do not go twice on the same area. And let's take these clippers out. Put the hair back. And you can see I got some volume going on right here. So maybe we do that here. So you always have to take a healthy top layer which you want to hang on top of the hair, what you do below there. And this area here, I want to have volume. No, I don't, I want to have volume. And 1. Yeah. And 1. There. It goes really quick. And put my hair, it's kind of like, you know, the effect when you tease your hair. So, and now let's do this side. I'm going to pull this hair away, and I'm going to use here that hair. and you can stay really close to your scalp. There you go, 2 times. Can you see? It creates, yeah, that shape it has. These clippers really work great, and they come with the Voloom. And I'm gonna put this away to treat more hair here. There. You know, you get some texture in the hair, but that is not the hair you want to see. That is the hair you're actually hiding. So I'm gonna look like Tina Turner soon. It definitely gives me volume, and maybe I do a part here in the back. Let's do that. One. There you go. So it's not supposed to be used on your ends. It's really only on your scalp, and I really get some result here. That is some hair I got here. Lots of hair. I would say mission accomplished. I got lots of volume. It definitely gives you the effect of more hair and volume. I'm gonna see how long that lasts, and I will actually write a blog post, a blog review about the volume, and then I'm gonna have my thorough thoughts. How long did this volume stay throughout the day? How many hours did it last? But at the moment I can really say it gives volume. I'm gonna show a picture how I looked before for you to remember, and how I look now. So it really gave me volume, and it's just the layers below which create that, you know. So it's kind of funny, big American hair. So let me know if you have tried it and your thoughts on this device, and see you later, ladies. Bye.